When it comes to home improvement projects, few upgrades make as significant an impact as a new door installation. Whether you're enhancing your home's curb appeal, improving energy efficiency, or increasing security, the door you choose, and how it's installed, matters. However, many Rayne homeowners make costly mistakes during the installation process that can lead to long-term issues. Avoiding these common pitfalls ensures your investment pays off in comfort, performance, and beauty. Choosing the wrong door for Rayne's climate. One of the biggest mistakes homeowners make is selecting a door that doesn't suit the local environment. Rayne's humid subtropical climate means high humidity, frequent rain, and heat, all of which can warp or deteriorate certain materials. Avoid this by choosing fiberglass or steel doors for durability and resistance to moisture. Ensuring wooden doors are properly sealed and treated to withstand humidity. Considering energy-efficient doors with weather-resistant finishes to maintain comfort year-round. A climate-appropriate door will last longer and reduce maintenance costs, making it a smart long-term choice. Ignoring proper measurements. Precision is crucial during any door installation. Even a minor mismeasurement can result in drafts, sticking doors, or gaps that compromise insulation and security. Unfortunately, many homeowners assume door sizes are standard, leading to frustrating fit issues. To prevent this, measure the height, width, and depth of the doorway multiple times. Account for irregularities in older homes where walls may not be perfectly square. Consult a professional installer in Rayne who can take exact measurements before ordering your door. Taking the time to measure correctly ensures a snug, energy-efficient fit and a smoother installation process. Skipping the inspection of the door frame in new door is only as strong as the frame it sits in. Installing a door on a damaged or rotted frame can lead to misalignment, poor sealing, and reduced security. Many homeowners skip inspecting the frame because they're eager to finish the project quickly. Avoid this by checking for wood rot, cracks, or warping before installation. Replacing or repairing the frame if there are any signs of damage. Reinforcing the frame with quality materials for added durability. A strong, level frame ensures your door functions properly for years to come. Overlooking insulation and weather stripping. Even a perfectly fitted door can fail to keep out drafts without proper insulation. In Rayne's hot summers and cooler winters, poor sealing can cause higher energy bills and reduce indoor comfort. Here's how to do it right. Use foam insulation or weather stripping around the edges of the frame. Seal gaps with high-quality caulking to prevent air leaks. Choose doors with energy-efficient cores or built-in insulation for better temperature control. Proper insulation not only boosts energy efficiency but also reduces noise and enhances comfort. De-installation. Without experience while installing a door may seem like a straightforward DIY project. It's one that requires experience and precision. Common mistakes like uneven hanging, poor alignment, or incorrect hardware installation can lead to operational problems or even safety risks. Instead, consider hiring a professional installer in Rayne who understands local building codes and climate challenges. Professionals have the tools, experience, and expertise to complete the job efficiently and correctly the first time. Neglecting finishing touches. Many homeowners forget that the final details, like sealing, painting, and hardware, play a big role in durability and aesthetics. A poorly finished door can quickly fade, warp, or lose curb appeal. Don't skip this step. Apply a weather-resistant sealant or paint for added protection. Install quality hardware like hinges and locks that complement your door's material. Regularly maintain the finish to extend the door's lifespan. Final thoughts. A new door installation in your Rayne home can significantly enhance beauty, energy efficiency, and security, but only if done correctly. Avoiding these common mistakes ensures your door performs well and remains an asset for years to come. By investing in professional installation, choosing climate-appropriate materials, and paying attention to details, you'll enjoy a flawless, long-lasting result that adds true value to your Rayne home.